test drive the 2022 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, lane departure warning, child safety locks, power door locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.